Checking out you haters got bad news. Real dog know I got an attitude. Too much talking in the chat room. Painting you boys like a tattoo. Thinking you step in the game and run up to me. Oh no, that's a bad move. Ay. Doing whatever I want. The team on my back, do it like I had to. Ay. Out of my way, yeah, I'm tryna be great. I feel amazing. That you think you brave, yeah, that could get dangerous. Stay out of my way, yeah, just talking to the greatest, what it feel like, yeah, show you what to do with the spotlight, yeah, move like a pro, yeah, that's what it look like.
मेरे को साउथ पसंद आ रहा है धीरे धीरे. मैं सोच रहा हूँ कि इधर ही रह जाऊँ. अभी हम इधर से जाएंगे हमारे स्टे पे विच इज़ लीव्स. तो लेट्स सी कितना तक जाता है. मतलब अभी और 1.5 आवर बाकी है. मोस्टली पहुंच जाने चाहिए जल्दी जल्दी क्योंकि द रोड इज़ टू गुड द वे ऑफ कैन सी. तो हम बहुत सेक्सी से एक जगह पे रुके हैं हम लोग. इधर बहुत सारे स्टॉल्स भी है. इफ़ यू इट इज़ लाइक V2B was the restaurant. तो if you guys want to come like here, it's very good. अच्छा है, बहुत अच्छा है. like it's well maintained, well, but price थोड़ा ज़्यादा ही है. It's 341 for 2 मसाला डोसास and 1 कॉफ़ी करके. So yeah, let's see you. आपको स्टे दिखाता हूँ. स्टे जाके in 1.5 hour I'll reach mostly, so I'll see you there. This one costed almost 3,000, like 3,200 बोल रहे थे. 300 बोल रहे थे. 3,000 में डन किया. So it is a room with AC नहीं है, गीजर है, ड्रायर है. But the main catch, reason why I gave 3,000 is the balcony. So I'll show you the balcony at the last. फर्स्ट बेसिक कुछ दिखा देता हूँ. बेसिक जो भी चीज़ें हैं. सो लेट्स सी. हाय. और इट्स बीन फ्यू डेज सिंस आई हैव बीन ऑफ. लाइक समझ नहीं आ रहा था क्या करना है क्या नहीं. अटेंडेंस नहीं थी. एग्ज़ाम में पढ़ने के लिए मूड नहीं आ रहा था. एंड out of nowhere I thought let's go somewhere, and it's been 2 days here. And in Yarkad, it's a very beautiful place, very beautiful. Like you can expect the क्या बोलते unexpected, expect the unexpected. It's really pretty. So मुझे लगता था कि भाई मतलब घूमना इज़ द अल्टीमेट थिंग, बट इट्स नॉट. इट्स एक्चुअली जब आप आते हो कहीं पे एंड जस्ट सिट एंड डू नथिंग एंड एन्जॉय दिस व्यू straight from your balcony. I can literally hear peacocks in the morning. कहाँ पे मिलेगा रात? So for that you have to come to offbeat destinations and all. So it's been a good 2 days. I have been relaxing. I have seen a lot of things. Few places, few gardens, few lakes, one track, 2 lady seat, gent seat. It's a viewpoint, so sometimes life feels like it's worth it on such days when you're like doing nothing. Out of nowhere something strikes ki past 1 month has been really tough. It was like बहुत कुछ, मतलब हार्डशिप्स, पढ़ाई में नहीं हो रहा था, घर में बहुत बात नहीं हो रही थी, क्योंकि I was busy. They were calling. I was like, I'm too tired to pick up the call. But it's more important to actually stay at peace. Like, I have no trouble. I have nothing. Yeah, there are troubles. There are problems in life, but those shouldn't make you feel like I won't be able to cope up with it, or like it's the end करके. It shouldn't be like that. कुछ मज़ा नहीं आ रहा, बाहर निकल जाओ, पहाड़ों पे चले जाओ. That's the best thing you can do. एक अच्छा सा स्टे ले लो. This day is not that costly. Okay, it's just 3K, and 3K में इतना सही place, इतने सही vibes के साथ, your mood automatically gets fresh. When I woke up, the first thing I saw was Pahar, and which lighted my mood like so. Slow mornings with coffee, chai, Maggie. This is what actually is the basic requirement of life. So पैसे कमाओ, घूमो फिरो, खुद के साथ खुश रहो. Have good friends, at least one who doesn't like tell you, अरे इधर क्यों आया, अरे why this, why that. Should be like, चल, let's go. Oh, this place fine, nice, have a nice day, have a nice thing, enjoy yourself. And for me, that one friend is my best friend, मेरे बचपन का दोस्त. So he has always been there motivating me. We both pushing each other in career wise, and when we are sad, we help each other to cope up with things. He shares, I shares, and there's no point of judgment in like ऐसा क्यों किया, वैसा क्यों किया. And my parents also, like, they are the biggest strength. कभी किसी चीज़ के लिए नहीं रोका. लाडला बोल सकते हो because I'm the only son, and life's good. It happens sometimes कि अच्छा नहीं लग रहा and all that stuff, but it's worth every stress, struggle, when you are happy, when you make others happy, when you help someone, when you think कि there's someone who is waiting for your success, there's someone who roots for you. And do whatever you want, what the fuck you want to do, bhai. No one's like even bothering, okay? Everyone, you think everyone is bothering, no one is bothering. It's just in your mind ki he might be thinking that, she might be thinking that. Should I make a video in the public or something? Just do it, bhai. Just do it. Like, when I started like just creating videos ki after some time I'll see, when I pass out from college, when I leave Bangalore maybe someday, so I should carry this with me. Like, अगर मेरे को कोई पूछे, like I asked my father आपने क्या किया, so he could have just tell, like he couldn't show कि these are the things I did with my friends, this is the places I went. So I have that privilege, so why not use it? So everything I do, every place I go, I try to record stuff and make it available for me in the future to rewind back and see how far I have like come. So do that often. Take pictures, take a hell lot of pictures, and stay happy. That's all.